Hello everyone, welcome to Tech. In our channel, we will show some tricks and tips. So watch this video until the very end.
So guys, let's start our video. As you know, Meta recently launched his new social media platform, just that totally look like Twitter, and now we have an opportunity to gain more and more followers on this app. Yes, you can gain more and more followers. So when you open that app, you will see something like this, and it's automatically take the information from your Instagram profile. And as you can see, he is showing me my Instagram profile info. Then you have to simply press continue and then public profile. Now this app will show me all the people that followed me on Instagram. These are all the my followers on Instagram. So when I follow that person on Thread, so it's tell me that he's showing me a notification that whenever these people join a Thread, they will automatically follow me on Thread. Yes, so as you can see, it is a very good option that whenever these people join Thread, they will automatically become my follower. So here's the quick tip for you guys. Hope you like the video and don't miss this opportunity. You can now gain more followers on Thread. As you know, nowadays gaining followers are becoming so difficult, so now you can take that followers on Thread.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support. Like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next one.